Hey friends, if you wish to import bookmarks into Firefox from Edge or Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's easy. Open Microsoft Edge, click on the hamburger icon or these three lines at the top right corner, select Bookmark, click on Manage Bookmarks, click on Import and Backup, then click on Import Data from another browser, and then you can select any browser. I'll select Microsoft Edge. It's the same for Chrome. We have Chrome here, but I'm going to select Microsoft Edge because I have a lot of bookmarks in Microsoft Edge. And then click on import. And once you get these three tick boxes here, it means that favorites have been imported. So I'll tell you the difference. In Firefox, we call them bookmarks. In Edge and Chromium, we call them favorites. So favorites have been imported, passwords have been imported, and the browsing history has also been imported. Click on done, and this is an excellent way to uh, transfer data from one browser to another. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.